Check out that jacket. Don't even know how to say that. That's the label. Welcome back to another Residual Hustler video, and in this video I'm going to show you this jacket here that I purchased for $270. Let me get the tag here, from TJ Maxx, right there. I bought it for $270 at TJ Maxx, and I just sold it on eBay for $800. That's crazy. That's crazy. Normally when I go to TJ Maxx does not have things like this. It's just, I've never seen a jacket that expensive there. I don't even spend that much on myself for a jacket. Let me put my camera down here. I'm going to go over some specifics with you. Now, when I was in TJ Maxx, I was actually in there to find about $150 worth of profit to sell on Amazon, because that is what I wanted to find in there. I didn't have much time, so my goal was to find $150 in profit, and then I had to head home. But as I'm walking through the men's aisle, I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna check like the jacket area, the sweatshirt area, and see what I can find. And I came across this jacket, and actually what stood out to me was this tag that was kind of like sticking out like this, and I saw it from like 15 feet away, and what stuck out to me was the red. And as I got closer, I saw that it said $270. I was like, whoa, what the heck is that? So I had no idea about the jacket. I didn't know what would make it worth that much. So I was in that aisle excuse me. I was in that aisle for about 30 minutes on my phone, researching the jacket, researching the manufacturer. It says it's made in Italy, and just Googling and see what I could find, and going on eBay. And I did see one that was on eBay, but not like this. Apparently this is a rare one. Not 100% sure, but it's sold for about $2,000. So I was like, whoa. So I did a bunch of research, and after, no lie, after 30 minutes in the aisle, I didn't move. I was just researching this jacket. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to take the risk, because I can probably get $1,000 to $1,500. But I knew that it could take a while to sell, and I was okay with that. So I was okay with it taking, I was thinking 6 to 9 months, but it just sold yesterday. I accepted an offer for $800. So I was ecstatic because I paid $270. Now I want to go over the fees with you, because I wrote everything down here. So it sold on eBay for $800. I paid $270. So let me also write this down, because I'm going to calculate my total profit. So I paid $800. I'm sorry, the buyer paid $800. So 800 minus the $270 that I paid for it, minus $100 in eBay fees. Now eBay, that's 12.5%. So eBay charged me $100 for the fees for selling it, and shipping is going to be $29. So that's a $401 profit. Not bad, huh? So, and like I said, I knew that when I was going to buy this, I knew I'd have it for a while. It took a year to sell, and I was fine with that. Now, one thing I did do, excuse me, one thing I did do was I Googled the address of the person wanting to purchase this, because I know that there are a lot of scammers. And when I looked up the address, it's a home in Florida. I live in Pennsylvania. And when I Googled it and found the home and the address, it's a $13.5 million home. So I was like, okay, that makes me feel a whole lot better, because it's not like a commercial address or something that would kind of throw a red flag that might be a little scammy to me. So I apologize. I'm not feeling good. My throat is very scratchy today. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to really package this up. I've got a lot of bubble wrap I'm going to use, and then I'm going to actually wrap it twice in 2 poly bags, and then I've got my box there that I'm going to use. So I'm going to really wrap this up nice, tight. I also have a bunch of packing peanuts because I'm going to fill this box so that this does not get shifted around during shipping. So here's the brand right there. If you're ever out and about and you see this, definitely look into it. Here's the tag, and there's more information right there. So I don't even know. Is that Italian? I don't know. I don't know Italian. But when I open this up, let me show you what the inside looks like. Now this is down feather material. This is just beautiful. Here it's an XXL. It's made in Italy, and nothing ever written here. It's got a pocket there. Oop, got another pocket over here. There. So just a beautiful jacket. So if you're ever out and about and you see something that just looks strange, I mean, look at this tag for TJ Maxx. $2.99 and then $2.70. Have you ever seen a jacket for sale at TJ Maxx that was originally $300? So, but oh, you know what? Let me show you. Let me show you what I'm doing on. I'm actually using Pirate Ship. Let me show you here. I'm going to use Pirate Ship to ship this. Now you can see there's I like to use pirateship.com because the shipping that I have, it actually puts everything on one credit card that I use so that I can actually go and print that out for my taxes. But 16-inch box, 12-inch by 12-inch. It weighs 4 pounds with everything included. Now I got signature confirmation right here. Definitely wanted somebody to sign for it. And I wanted insurance on it. So I'm getting insurance on this with a declared value of $800. So in case something happens, this is going to be my insurance policy. So I go over here and I click on Get Rates. And what pops up is here it is, $28.86. So you can see UPS ground shipping. I'm not going to send this through USPS. $5.50 for the signature confirmation and $6.40 for the insurance. So that is what I'm going to do. This is going to go out right now. It is Saturday. This is going to go out on Monday. Let's see here. Monday the 10th. Should be the same cost. Oh no. It went down. Look at that. It went down $2. So what happened is shipping went up a little bit, but the confirmation went down a couple bucks. That's interesting. So that just added another $2. So instead of $401 profit, we got $403. Oh no, hold on. We want UPS. Alright, that's why. It went back up. Yeah, we definitely want UPS, not USPS. So that's why it changed. So we're back at the $28 right there. So, and then I'll click and I will buy the label, print it. Like I said, I like to use pirateship.com. I have no affiliation, but everything that I do, I have put on my one MasterCard. That's what that card is used for. And then I can print out everything for my accounting. Makes it really, really easy. So that's it, guys. If you're ever out and about at any thrift stores or regular stores and you see anything like this, definitely check it out. Do some research. Because even as a seasoned seller, I still took a half an hour, no exaggeration, to check it out and make sure I wanted to be comfortable with my purchase. Now, I was asking $1,000 on eBay. I accepted an offer for $800. I've had other offers as low as $600. I knew I didn't want to go that low. But could I have gotten more for it on Mercari or Poshmark? I'm going to say probably yes. But I don't have accounts with Mercari or Poshmark. And I didn't want to look like a brand new seller on those platforms. But I've been selling on Amazon, or I'm sorry, on eBay since the 90s. And I have a reputation on eBay and I have a good feedback rating. So I wanted to make sure people saw that, knew I wasn't a scammer myself. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy this kind of content, please like and subscribe to the channel. And also leave a comment. If you have found something that you've made a good amount of money on, leave me a comment and let me know what it was and what your profit was. I mean, in all my years of selling, this is the one that I've made the most profit on one item, on one jacket, which is pretty awesome. So, but again, I appreciate you stopping by, watching the video. And any more information, if you'd like, just go to my website, residualhustler.com. You find a whole boatload of information there, along with a lot of free content if you're into the reselling. So appreciate that. Thank you very much. Have a good day.